All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Today, my brother is actually doing the work on the Explorer. Now that we've got it apart where we can see things a little bit better, there is definitely more damage down here than what was originally thought. Thanks to this thing having a flat and it being raining and everything, it was just next to impossible to see all of this damage. My brother came and got me, and he pointed out that it looks like this upper control arm, I don't know if you can see, it looks like it's bent right there. And I agree with him. I think the upper control arm is bent. The upper control arm has two bolts, one here and one here, but they're on the underside. They're on the other underbelly of it, somewhere under here. We'll have to, there it is. There's one of them right there. It's difficult to see because it's so dang dark, but it's up there. Same thing on the other side. You literally take those two bolts off, pop this nut for the ball joint, separate them. We're going to have to pull this upper control arm off. Lower control arm, serious problems. We already knew that though. You see how bent that is. You can definitely see how this got just bent in half. So that's totally shot. The strut, hopefully you can see it, but it goes down here and then arches. So whole strut assembly. The strut cartridge is just shot. All of this, I wouldn't try to reuse any of this. It's not safe. So the strut's got to go. So we got a upper control arm, bad. Strut assembly, bad. Lower control arm, bad. We got the sway bar link right here, bad. So basically, it looks like tie rod's all right though. I think the tie rod's the only part of the suspension that survived. So I'm gonna go head over to the Junkyard Del City pickup parts, I think is what they're called. My first time going there, but they got the lower control arm for 50. Upper control arm is probably like 40 or 50. The strut is 40. So I mean, it's not that much. You know, you're looking like maybe 150 bucks for parts. And if they've got an extra sway bar link in there, go ahead and snatch that up too. Tim's out here. Look, safety first.
Of course.
Safety first. Look at it. Those are sexy glasses right there. Yeah, Tim's out here getting it done, man. So we will continue on and see if we can put this thing back on the road by the end of the day.
I expect it'll probably try to tell me no too. The strut doesn't want to come out.
Need some help?
Ooh.
Did that hurt?
Oh yeah. All right, man. Here.
Did it hit you in the dick?
You know, it hit his knee.
Oh,
The strut fell on his knee.
Oh, the knee will be alright. As long as it didn't hit you in the dick, bro.
The knee will be all right.
Look at that strut. Holy shit. That shit is
control arm.
that shit is more flexible than something in San Francisco, man. Jesus Christ.
All right, that's what she looks like with everything pulled out. Upper control arm is gone, strut assembly is gone, sway bar link's gone, lower control arm is gone. It's held together right now just by the tie rod, and we've got it braced up against the sway bar. We've got the ABS disconnected. Down here you can see where a little more damage was. We've got header panel damage all over here. Definitely see the crash bar was damaged right there. I've got a piece of metal in my knee. That sucked. Yeah, she took a hard hit. She took a real hard hit. All right, so we got the new parts. We got the new strut assembly. We got the lower control arm, upper control arm. The only thing we're missing is the sway bar link. We'll have to go to AutoZone or something, see if we can get that. Total cost though was like $132 out the door. Got it from Del City pickup parts, so shout out to those guys. They're real awesome. They actually pulled the parts while we were waiting. Took them maybe 30, 45 minutes to get it done. Not too long considering someone had to go out there and pull all this. So good deal. Let's get this put back together.
A little worse than we thought, huh?
It leans a little bit to the left.
Yeah,
fellas. For sure.
I'm gonna run that up just a little bit. Run that other one up. Don't go all the way, just kind of get it up there just a little bit. Okay. Sweet.
This is the bolt to the strut right here. I guess the top's got to go in first. Right?
Yep. Yep, now I see it. You got a nut or something from you up here? Which
Tim,
one's
you know where
that?
the nuts are for the top?
Yeah, I see it over here. Let me get
Randy
it.
took them off.
Is that a pain in the ass from up there?
Oh, no, I get them on there. I just need to get it on enough where it won't fall out.
Right.
Then the rest of it can be fucking ratcheted on.
Yeah, that one goes through the bottom.
That's two.
Did it go this way probably?
Yeah, the strut had a ton of little brackets on it too, on the top.
All right, this thing's got 3 nuts on it,
These are smashed in.
so it should be able to hold up by those.
Okay. Bigger pecker. There we go.
Like really put some, keep going, compress that sucker. Right there, right there.
That's two. Yeah, I like it.
Man, just leave that deck there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking just now. That might work out.
Set of instructions that so product its function correctly. Tighten the assembly and
We're both set that folded sway bar, so we're good.
These.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
It's good to go. Let's put a tire on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No.
No. Still pulling?
Yeah.
the first thing you do is hammer on it.
I'm not hammering on it, man. If I was hammering on it, we'd be moving. No.
So when is it pulling? When you hit the brakes?
All right, so
Yeah, you need a light. Here, I got a head. I got a.
there it is someday somewhere. All right, so when I straighten it out, that's where she's at. And there's 50 miles an hour. Smooth. All right, here's the real test. It did great all the way to pull apart and back, or LKQ, I mean. No problems. Everything is still looking good. But the real test is getting it on the highway 70 miles an hour and making it all the way out to Weird Beard Auto Sales, which is it's about an hour drive. So that's gonna be the real test. So let's cross our fingers and see if this old girl makes it. It's Friday. It's Friday, which means this baby might just sell tomorrow. Let's go. All right, so the Explorer made it just fine. We've driven that thing over 100 miles with no issues. It's Saturday. It is raining, so, you know, unfortunately, we're probably not going to flip it this week. But that's okay. We got auctions coming up next week, and I fully intend to try to get another something or two, depending, maybe 3. We'll see what happens. Check back tomorrow for an update on this. A lot of you think this thing is toast. And hey, it might be, but then again, maybe tomorrow we're going to have a video of this thing doing 80 on the freeway. Maybe. We'll see. You got to check back in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently a subscriber. And hey, at the end of the video, click on that shirt button. You get you an auto auction rebuild shirt. Definitely helps support the channel. I truly appreciate it. I want to give a shout out again to TK from Total Tech. Also, TK's Garage. Go check out TK's Garage. TK's Garage. TK's Garage. Go check out TK's Garage. I literally woke up 30 minutes ago to finish this video. So, shout out to TK from TK's Garage. Go check him out. Subscribe to his channel. I appreciate it. And big shout out to my brother, of course, who's always out here under the hood wrenching on these things. Appreciate both of them for giving me a hand with this and giving me a hand with the Explorer. Hope you saw Mike in this video. Mike from Weird Beard Auto Sales. He was smashing on that Explorer, getting that thing put back together in a heartbeat, man. Good to have him on video. So shout out to Mike from Weird Beard Auto Sales. We're out of here. Catch you guys soon in the next one.